Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Dodge Charger. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Looking in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Charger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.